EDU 740, Lesson Plan 1, Computer Science, Year 12. The topic of the lesson is Computers and Applications, Substrate, Communications and Networks. The topic that I have chosen is Explain Data Communication and Connectivity. For motivational activity, I will be having a riddle for motivational activity. It will be taking 5 minutes, which is the icebreaker for this. The motivational activity is really important for the class as to gain the attention of the students. For this motivational activity, I have prepared one riddle for the students. But before asking the riddle to the questions, I will be telling the students about the rules about answering the riddles, which are to raise their hands to answer the riddle, no shouting the answers, and to be cooperative. So the riddle is, I have keys but do not lock. I have space but I have no room. You can enter but not come in. What am I? The answer to the riddle is keyboard. After the riddle, I will check if my classroom is clean and tidy and organized so that I can conduct my class in a safe and clean environment. Before introduction, which is before introducing the topic, I will ask the students about their prior knowledge about data communications and connectivity. As this is for year 12, so the students are taking computer science OT from their lower levels, so they must be knowing something about data communication and connectivity. And then I will introduce the topic, which is data communication and connectivity. I have prepared few charts for this. Then I will show up the charts to the students for their better understanding of the topic. After showing the charts to the students, I will be telling the students about the learning objectives of this particular topic, which is, on the completion of this lesson, each student should be able to cognitive, explain data communication and connectivity; psychomotor, recognize the 3 different types of cables; affective, justify the difference between kbps, mbps and gbps. This will be taking me 5 minutes, and then I will be moving to the development, the phase 1, which will take me 10 minutes, because this is the most important part of the class. Over here, I will explain the students about data communication and connectivity. I will tell them about the 3 different types of cables, and I will justify the difference between kbps, mbps and gbps. Over here, the students are to listen to me alternatively and make notes if they find it important. I will tell the students that this is the most important thing, because in computer papers there are many questions related to data communication and connectivity. After that, I will be moving to phase 2. Over here, I will be dividing my students into groups, but before dividing them into groups, I will ask them if they are at their correct places and ask them to move quietly into groups so that they can answer the group activities. After that, I will instruct the students about their group activities, and then I will discuss the marking criteria. And while the students will be doing their group activity, I will be reminding them about the classroom behavior, and if they have any problems, any questions, I will be assisting them. Thank you.